So my friends, welcome to Barley Lake. Barley Lake is not far from Glengarriff. It's just up the road past the nature reserve. So Glengarriff is off in that direction, and Kinmare is up over those mountains there. But where we're heading is that direction. The plan is to go along that ridge, past the out around the lake, and then back the other side. So let's go. Well, folks, how amazing is this? I have to say, this hike is beyond all my expectations, I have to say. Granted, I have an epic day for it, so it helps. But that in that direction, or just as you see here, that is Widdy Island, and just further on then is the town of Bantry. Absolutely spectacular. And there is a waterfall I see here. It's dried up now because it's dry weather obviously, but I'll have to come back during the winter and see that in full flow. So folks, we had a little bit of a scare. Roisin, I came back from the hike and poor old Roisin would not start. The battery was dead as a doornail. So it is what it is. I have to get that fixed up, but we can't stop it now, hence the reason she's running. But this is just the last glimpse of Glengarriff. This is Glengarriff Bay. I have to say, highly recommend this village if you are thinking of coming down to West Cork or going on an adventure. It has walks for everyone. It has the nature reserve, has a few different walks there, different lengths. Barley Lake that we just done, and the whole area is just epic. So if you do fancy Glengarriff, head there. Otherwise, I'm going home. Hopefully the battery stays going the whole way. And on that note, slod. Before I forget yet again, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it.